Ready? Like and subscribe. We're going to open a tin of Premier League. First pack. Let's see who we get. My dad will tell you who we get. Okay?
I'm forever blowing bubbles, big bubbles in the air.
My dad is so dumb. That's our first pack. Hold on. I've got about 10 packs to open. Next pack. I have opened one more. I have opened a pack. But look.
Is that bloody kettle on?
We got full match. Yes. Next pack.
Yummy.
There's another one. Next pack. Next pack. Bring some luck. Like and subscribe, please. If this gets 10 views, I'll make a Minecraft video.
United! United! United!
Harry Maguire! Da-na-na-na. That's another good pack. Got the United lineup. Just open it. Next pack. They're gonna be the good ones. These are gonna be the terrible ones. Ooh, an elite. Oh, nice! If you saw the final against Argentina versus France, he was the goalkeeper for France. Just go dip. Oh, I've got a really bad cold. Sorry. We've only opened about 4 packs. That's only 20 packs. Oh. Don't need that. Go back. Oh, it's sideways. Oh.
Loots.
Dad, you're supposed to say who it is. Okay?
Loots.
No, Dad, you're supposed to say who the player is.
Loots.
Ready? Next pack, you have to say who it is. Every pack last.
Harry Maguire.
That's from Harry Maguire.
Harry Maguire.
No, it isn't. Just don't listen to him. Just look at the card.
Harry Maguire.
Dad, just say their actual names next pack.
Harry Maguire.
Please, just say the normal name next time.
Harry Maguire.
guys, I'm just going to show you the other pack. We have 2 packs left. So, and that is really bad. But that is good because then hopefully I really want to make a Minecraft video. And if that video gets about 1 or 2 likes, Kevin De Bruyne.
Ooh.
Why am I so lucky?
Ooh.
I got 2 of the best people.
Nice.
Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin. KEB. Dad, on the last pack you have to say who it is, just their name on there. Open. Oh, what a player. What a player. Thank the Lord I got my favourite club. And I hate this team, by the way. Hate.
Marshall. Anthony Marshall. Josie.
Daddy.
Yes, please, Celia.
Dad.
Normal, please.
Yeah.
Dad, so
Yeah.
you have to say the player's actual name.
Okay.
Not Harry Maguire. Oh my god. You mean son.
Go son. Harry Maguire.
No, it isn't.
Pereira. Brentford. Sancho.
Hate. That's the end of the video. Please get 10 likes. Sorry.